Sofa covers are an easy and budget-friendly way to instantly transform a space, whether you need to update worn-out seating or protect furniture from pets, kids, spills, and stains. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use magic sofa cover. Keep watching. First, find the washing label and make the label located in the middle of the sofa's back. Then, cover the whole sofa. Tuck the excess fabric into the gap. Then, tuck the anti-slip foam roller into the gap. Tie the bottom strings together. That's all. This magic sofa cover is made of high-quality jacquard fabric with super spandex. It's machine washable and doesn't shrink. This is a video from a happy buyer to show us how to install. Wow, he looks so professional. We have 4 different sizes available. You could visit our website link in the description, and we have multiple colors for your choice. I hope this video helped you learn how to use the magic sofa cover and which size you need to choose. If you have any questions, let me know by leaving a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Just click the subscribe button below in this video, so you don't miss out on my next video I'm about to share with you. Thank you so much for watching.